because we are wanting to reduce the variance, so the difference in profit here and our money back. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to look at a match betting offer. That's right, one offer that paid a Outplayed user thousands of pounds in profit, and I'll reveal exactly how much they made from this one offer at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around for that. But before we get on the laptop here, and I'll show you what that offer is and how you can also do it yourself if you're maybe new to match betting or you've not yet started with casino offers, just wanted to mention the Profit Boss Match Betting and Value Betting Facebook group. There'll be a link down in the description as usual. And also, I wanted to just let you know quickly about the free match betting beginner course that I have. It's not just for beginners, it's also got some sort of advanced tips in there as well that you might not necessarily find in other beginner match betting courses. But the link for that will also be down in the description. And at the end of that course as well, the 8 video lessons, there's also some more advanced stuff on different things you can do for value betting. So once you're finished with match betting, how you can then continue on and make even more profit. Now, as I say, that profit was made from an Outplayed member. And you can see here that currently they have a sale on, but I wanted to talk to you about how you can actually save even more money than just going with Outplayed for this. So if we scroll down all the way at the bottom here, you can see, and please someone correct me if I'm wrong, but you can see that they only actually offer a yearly membership. I think they might have taken away the monthly membership. I'm sure I read someone say that, but please comment below if I'm wrong there. Normally, for their Diamond membership with all the casino offers and everything included, it's £600 for the year. But currently with their sale, it's £300. Now, what you could actually do is head over to OddsMonkey, which is the software that I've used from the very beginning when I started match betting in December 2018. And for £50 here, you can pay for just 1 month. Obviously, there's no contract. You can cancel at any time. So if you're wanting to get started, you don't want to invest like £300 into a full year of membership, that 50 quid for just 1 month there is going to include everything that you get from the sports sign-up offers on the premium membership, but also 100 plus casino offers worth over £1,000 there, all the extra casino tools and whatnot. And as I say there, I think it's a great way to just test out if you're going to enjoy match betting and you're going to have the time to do it. So here on the OddsMonkey dashboard then, what we do to find this offer is just click on casino at the top here and then click on casino sign-up offers. Now here you can see without any filters on, we've got 101 offers, which is crazy. Like there's just so much profit to be made here. And all you need to do to find this offer that we're talking about that Outplayed member made was scroll down here and click on Betfred Casino. So Betfred Casino, then click Apply New Filter. So we can see here that it says Betfred Casino, wager £10 to get 100 free spins, and the expected value on that is £9.41. So that's why I say that huge profit of thousands of pounds that Outplayed member made, it's not going to happen for everyone. On average, you're going to make just shy of £10, but because you've got loads of these offers, obviously they're going to add up. And then you always have that chance there of hitting a massive win and getting that big payout. Now, this offer specifically is only going to take you 10 minutes, and all you do is click on View Offer. Now, when you click that, it's going to open the guide for you. And these guides on OddsMonkey are just super, super simple to follow. So, got that same information there that we were just talking about. It's a low-risk offer, so it doesn't mean it's risk-free. You're obviously putting in £10 of your own money, but as I'll show you in a second, you're more than likely, although not guaranteed, but more than likely going to get that money back, potentially even be in a profit, but I'll show you how that works here. Now, all you're going to do is scroll down, and you've got literally just 8 steps here. Well, it's actually 7, because the 8th one is just withdrawing the profit, so it's not really too much of a bother there. But on step 1, you're just going to click that link. It'll take you to Betfred Casino, nice and easy. You don't even have to search for it. Then deposit £10 using a debit card, and that is important. If you use, like, I don't know, PayPal or any other payment method, you won't get the free spin, so be sure to use your debit card. Then you're going to opt in via the promotional page, and then you just click that, and that'll take you to this opt-in page. And literally, as it says, just click opt-in. If you don't, you won't get the free spins. So it's super, super important that when you do these, you follow every step, and it's really important that you have these guides. If you try and do all these casino offers without these step-by-step guides. It just makes everything so much more difficult. Now, it says wager £10 on any slot, and then we recommend high return to player RTP games such as Golden Tour, which has a 97.71 return to player. Now, Golden Tour is especially good for whenever you can wager using Golden Tour. I do really recommend it because it's got what's called a low variance. So it won't sort of pay out a huge amount or a low amount to like some people, and then some others get crazy different results. It's a very middle of the road. Like, it will provide that 97.71 return to player to most people. So all we're going to do to wager that £10 is go on to this Golden Tour here, and this is just a practice one. That's why it says there's €1,000 in the account. But because we are wanting to reduce the variance, so the difference in profit here and our money back, we actually want to use the same spin value that we will have for the free spins. So just click forward, just look forward a bit here, and you can see it says for the free spins, the 100 free spins, going to get 10 pence per spin for those 100 free spins. So all you would do is, you can see here, max lines and minimum line bet is going to be 5 pence or 5 cents here because it's euros, but just pretend it's pounds. So what you actually need to do is increase the line bet to 5 pence there, and then drop down to 2 lines. So it's going to be 2 lines, 5 pence on each line, and give you that 10 pence per spin. And now all we need to do is spin it 100 times. Now, I can actually click on autoplay here and do 99 spins as autoplay. But when you're doing this with real money on Betfred, you can't use autoplay anymore. So that won't be there as a feature. I believe it was the Gambling Commission that removed autoplay just to make it like less easy for people to get carried away with gambling on slot machines. So you'll just click spin 100 times, which sounds like it'll take forever, but they honestly go so quick. But I'll just click on 99 spins auto here, and let's see how much of that €1,000 we have left. It should just be just under 1,000 when it's finished. So halfway through there, and we're actually £4.25, now £4.15 in profit at the moment. So going well so far. We'll just let it do the other half of the spins. And there we go. There's our 99 auto spins finished. It says, do you want to repeat? Obviously we don't. And because it did 99, we'll just click spin one more time to bring us up to the 100 there, as if we were doing this offer for real. And you can see there, you know, just pretending that the balance started with £10, not 1,000. You can see that wagering 100 spins at 10 pence each, you would have made a profit there of £2.55. But now what you've unlocked is that 100 free spins worth 10 pence each. So another £10 worth of free spins that you would likely make on average around £9.70, something like that. So in total from this offer, you would have made that around that £11 something there. So really great way to make some profit. And as I say, it's very low risk, especially when you're using slots like Golden Tour. And actually, just to finish off this guide and show you the rest of the steps properly, it says on step 6, you'll then receive 3 free spin options to use on specified games. And you can actually see here, you get a choice of 50 free spins worth 20 pence each on Age of the Gods, 100 free spins are worth 10 pence each on a game called Better Wilds, or 200 free spins worth just 5 pence each, again on Age of the Gods, but it's God of Storms 2. Now, what it's saying, because the guide is actually saying take the 100 free spins worth 10 pence each for Better Wilds, that's because Better Wilds will have the highest return to player. You can see there 96.42%, whereas the other games just won't quite be as good. So all you would do then is go on to the casino part of their site. So on Betfred, click casino at the top, and then on the search here, just type in Better Wilds, and then it's literally there. You just click on play. As you click on that, it should, I mean, it says here they'll be credited within 48 hours, but usually, in my experience with Betfred, they're actually credited instantly. So you would just be able to go on that game and then play your 100 free spins. Now, I must be extremely clear on this, that casino offers are really only for people that are able to stick to the exact rules of doing that free spin wagering, like I showed you there, doing those 100 spins, and then using the free spins, and then being able to walk away. If you're someone that enjoys playing slot games, then this is not for you, because I don't want people to start this and then just end up playing slot games on casino sites. You have to think about it that every time you click spin, so say you're wagering £1 spins, if the return to player is 97%, every spin that you click with £1, you're actually getting back 97 pence, and the casino or bookmaker keeps 3 pence. That's how they make their money. They just give you a little back each time with like a little win here and there or a big win, but then over time you'll end up losing money if you're not just playing these for the free spins. If you found this video helpful or valuable or anything like that, please do tap the like button below. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.